Do you know how to delete all contacts on iPhone at once? To sort it out, we'll cover 5 incredible solutions, helping to remove all contacts from your iPhone in one time. Way 1. How to delete all contacts on iPhone at once via Assistant for iOS. Removing contacts from iPhone all at once or selectively is a cinch for Mobikin Assistant for iOS. The removal of contacts is just one of its features, and its overall performance has been improved since its launch. Let's go over how to delete contacts from iPhone all at once with Assistant for iOS. Download and launch the program on your computer. Connect iPhone via USB, tap Trust, and continue to authorize the connection. Click on Contacts, select All, and tap Delete to erase all contacts from iPhone. Done. Way 2. How to delete all contacts on iPhone at once via iCloud settings. To remove all contacts on iPhone immediately using iCloud settings. First, be sure to check if you've synced all your iPhone contacts to iCloud beforehand. If so, go to the relevant options and delete those stuff accordingly. Way 3. How to erase all contacts on iPhone using Contact Groups. Contact Groups, an app with an optional in-app purchase, assists you to delete all contacts on iPhone. It can also be used to create contact groups, send group emails on iDevices, etc. Way 4. How to remove all contacts on iPhone from Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo. Before starting with this method, please make sure you have had an email associated with your iPhone and synced contacts to the mail. Then select the Mail, Disable Contacts option, and delete the account from your iPhone. Way 5. How to clear all contacts on iPhone by factory reset. As you may know, erasing all contacts from your iPhone in this way would wipe out most existing data on your iPhone. So, make sure to back up your iPhone in advance to minimize inconvenience.